Welcome to our lecture online. Our next example is an interesting example, and it turns out that will reduce to a very small final result. Let's see how it's done. First of all, we need to recognize all the denominators, and here we have an x minus 1, an x plus 1, an x plus 1, and an x minus 1. So the LCD, the lowest common denominator, is going to be a product of x plus 1 and x minus 1. LCD equals x plus 1 times x minus 1. And so that means we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by that product. All right, let's multiply and see what we get. First of all, we'll multiply this times this. The x minus 1's cancel, and we're multiplying x plus 1 times x plus 1. So this is equal to x plus 1 times x plus 1. Minus, here, when we multiply, the x plus 1's cancel, and we have x minus 1 times x minus 1. All divided by, in this case, the x plus 1's cancel, and we're left with 1 times x minus 1. Minus, here, the x minus 1's cancel, and we're left with 1 times x plus 1. Of course, I didn't have to put the 1's there, but at least it gives you a reference of what happened up there. So now let's multiply and simplify things through. So here when we multiply this, we get x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus, when we multiply this out, we get x squared minus 2x plus 1. All divided by, in the denominator, we have x minus 1 minus x plus 1. It's a good idea to put brackets and parentheses to prevent from making mistakes. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of the parentheses and put the proper signs in. So we get x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus x squared plus 2x minus 1, all divided by x minus 1 minus x minus 1. All right, let's now see what cancels out. Let's come up here. And first of all, in the numerator, x squared minus x squared, that cancels. 2x plus 2x becomes 4x in the numerator. And we have a plus 1 minus 1 that cancels out as well. In the denominator, we have an x minus x that cancels out. A minus 1 gives us a minus 2. And so that is equal to 4x minus 2, or minus 2x as the final result. As you can see, that whole thing collapses into something pretty small. And that is how it's done.